What's the purpose of import package? As I just found out, import package does not make the packages modules available through package.module. The same obviously holds true for from package import subpackage as well as from package import. What's the purpose of importing a package at all then if I can't access its submodules but only the objects defined in _init_.py? It makes sense to me that from package import would bloat the namespace, which, however, doesn't apply in case of the other two ways. I also understand that loading all submodules might take a long time. But I don't know what these unwanted side effects, that should only happen when the submodule is explicitly imported, are which the author of the previous link mentions. To me it looks like doing an import package.subpackage, or from package import subpackage, makes absolutely no sense if I don't exactly want to access objects provided in _init_.py. Are those unwanted side effects really that serious that the language actually has to protect the programmer from causing them? Actually, I thought that Python was a little bit more about if the programmer wants to do it, let him do it. In my case, I really do want to import all submodules with the single statement from package import subpackage, because I need all of them. Telling Python in the _init_.py file which submodules I'm exactly talking about, all of them, is quite cumbersome from my point of view. Please enlighten me. Smile.
It's up to the package if it automatically imports submodules in its _init_.py or not. For example, os automatically imports os.path, so this works. So the creator of the package can decide what is best. If automatically loading all submodules would take a rather long time and would rarely be needed, it probably shouldn't be done. If all the submodules are always required, they probably should be imported automatically. If you think a package import's not enough, you could work around it by writing your own wrapper module that does all the imports, and then use that with from wrapper module import.
As said, the solution is to import each submodule. You can use a hack to avoid listing them. _init_.py. This will easily break under some circumstances. However, it will handle the common case and could be temporarily suitable.
If you want to see more, please